So here now to go deeper on the wording of Justice Thomas's opinion and the implications, we have Denver 7's Pattrik Perez, who's joining us live at the state capitol.
And Patrick, from Justice Thomas's statement, it's not entirely out of the question that the Supreme Court can overturn other monumental cases.
And Jessica, I will get to all of that in just a moment, but first I want to show you what's going on behind me. You can see there is a growing crowd here of protesters on the western steps of the Capitol, obviously in opposition of that ruling today. CSP was here early on the scene trying to get this vehicle out of the way because it is currently blocking a lane. But like we have mentioned, one of the biggest concerns in the LGBTQ community right now is what all of this could mean for same-sex marriage, because Colorado does not currently have it written into law. And with Pride happening this weekend, it is certainly giving people an extra pep in their step.
We got married in 2016.
It'll soon be 6 years since Andrew Morrison and his husband Billy got married. And every year since, they've wondered whether someone would take their right to marry away.
When Trump was elected, that was probably the first time it crossed my mind.
Now, with Roe versus Wade overturned, that concern has grown.
My main thought was my sister and my female friends who, this is impacting them in an immediate sense. But it wasn't long before I kind of started thinking, again, what precedent does this set and how long will my marriage be protected?
In Justice Clarence Thomas's concurring opinion, he writes the court should reconsider several cases, including the right to same-sex marriage.
Depending on what that decision would look like. Does it mean that suddenly folks who are married across the country, their marriages are dissolved? Does that mean that folks are going to have to pursue civil unions?
It's why Garrett Royer and his team at One Colorado will be working with the legislature next year to make same-sex marriage in the state a protected right. Currently, it's not written into law.
We're going to have to take some time and do some strategizing to make sure that whatever that framework or legislation looks like next year, we are in a good place to ensure that the rights of LGBTQ Coloradans are protected.
For now, LGBTQ Coloradans will march this Pride weekend with a renewed sense of purpose.
I think there's going to be a little bit of anger, a little bit of resistance, but ultimately I think a lot of passion, specifically because of what's happened today.
So as we all know, Governor Polis himself is in a same-sex marriage. I did reach out to his office earlier today to get comment, especially when it comes to Justice Thomas's opinion. A spokesperson says Polis was, quote, shocked and saddened, and that Colorado will stand as a beacon of freedom for all. Jessica?
This will have long-lasting implications. Thank you, Patrick. And you can find much more on today's decision by the Supreme Court and the protections Colorado has in place for women seeking abortions.
And that information is available right now on thedenverchannel.com. You can also get the very latest on the decision itself to overturn Roe v. Wade on the free Denver 7 Plus app. It is available to download now on your streaming device.